I'll give you an example, right? There was this company which wanted to build a platform. This is in the health sector, because they build products for a specific need for various companies. These are apps that they build, right? They've observed that there are a lot of similarities and there is a lot of customization also, but it addresses the same need for different customers and they have different flows. That's it. So what we decided was, okay, this is a pretty complex platform to build, right? And they weren't sure whether we'll be able to roll it out or not. And so what we did was we created a very simple proof of concept where actually people can configure some things. These are just parameters that you would give. And based on that parameters, a particular flow would be built into an app. And that app is dynamically generated, both for the iOS and Android. So the Android app is not coded by hand, or the iOS app is not coded by hand. Actually, you have a configurator or a designer where a business analyst can sit together and say, hey, I need this, and after this step has to be followed. If this is what the user chooses, then something else happens, the flow changes, all of these kind of things. So we took a couple of steps in that entire thing, big complex thing, right? And said, hey, this is how you configure, this is how we store the configuration, this is how when you press the button, an APK is generated, and that is your Android app. Install that in your phone, and you can see that the app is generated. Now go change the configuration a little bit, and then you press the button again, a new Android app is created with a different workflow, right? That actually gave them the confidence that we could work on data-driven application generation kind of platforms, which is a very, very tough field. But at the same time, what we did actually convinced them that we indeed have the expertise and the capability, and the experience to execute on this. In this specific case, the proof of concept took us a couple of weeks to do it. And that's what we suggested, because we took the bare essential data-driven application generation, right? Proving that aspect was the core of it. And we took a couple of weeks to knock it out. While the entire project was for more than a year, the timelines looked for more than a year. And as a matter of fact, it's been a few years. The engagement is still continuing.